The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm meteorologist Edward Shaw. Well, today is going to be nice, and it's going to be nice for a few days now. Got a few puffy clouds just in Wytheville right now, and maybe a few pop-up showers later on in the day. But ultimately, as we head throughout the week, we're going to be feeling sunny and cool, and it'll be a nice preview of fall weather. Temperatures across the country right now, 70s for parts of the mid-Atlantic, down into the 90s as we get further south along the Gulf Coast. Parts of the Southwest still out in the hundreds, just overall brutal heat out there, but we're going to be cooling down over the next few days. As we take a look at our temperature map, tomorrow we're going to get down to about 74 degrees, 77 in Richmond, 77 in Washington, D.C. You can really see this cooler air coming into our region, 75 in Roanoke on Wednesday, 78 in Charlotte, and 78 in Richmond. Feeling really nice. Now, you might notice these two temperatures, Cincinnati and Pittsburgh, being slightly above average, even though all this cool air is going to be coming into the area. That's going to be because we're watching a little bit of a disturbance in the Gulf that could make its way up into parts of the Midwest and possibly bring a little bit more heat, a little bit more humidity. But overall, not exactly going to be something that really breaks the bank when it comes to temperatures. Thursday, we get down to 76, 80 in Richmond, 77 in Charlotte. So we'll heat up just a little bit by then. But overall, we're going to be below average for quite some times in terms of temperatures. Both Climate Prediction Center outlooks, both 6 to 10 days and 8 to 14 days, are hinting that we will be below average for the foreseeable future. Now, granted, other things such as the tropics can have an impact on that, but overall, large scale, we're expected to be below average. Now, speaking of the tropics, this is a system we're watching in the Gulf right now. Not going to become any kind of tropical storm, but it is going to be a rainmaker for the Gulf Coast as it makes its way further inland. And that's going to be what brings some of those warmer, more moist temperatures and humidity. This system is what I'm watching personally. Think that one has best chance at development out of the three, and then 40% chance for this thing to develop over here, just in the Gulf of Mexico, as it heads further to the west. But overall, just taking a look at all of those and just waiting to see what happens. Now, as for the week ahead, we do have today isolated shower risk for us. Downpours further in the Hampton Roads area and sunny skies further to the north. And then taking a look into Wednesday, we're really going to start to get temperatures that feel nice overall. Just really nice conditions as we head later on into the week. Well, it looks like my remote is not working, so that's ultimately great. But yeah, so 7-day forecast today, going to be about 82 degrees as your high, going to heat up throughout the rest of the week. And then later on this week, we're going to be feeling like fall with nice temperatures overall and maybe the chance for some showers and storms as we get Friday into Saturday.
7-day forecast looking better, right?
Absolutely. 7-day forecast looking great now that we can show it since I have a different remote. 82 today, and then we drop into the 70s this week before showers and storms Friday and Saturday. That cooling trend goes for each of our 4 zones, so enjoy the fall-like temperatures this week because it's certainly going to be nice.